This bracelet making video tutorial is created with the help of Mazichands Bracelet Making Kit. It's a bracelet making kit in which we have exclusive VIP membership program, rubber bands, one hook, one packet of C-clips, and a loom that has adjustable base. Hi, I'm Beth from Mazichands, and today I'm going to show you how to make a railroad bracelet with the rainbow loom. Okay, let's start. Take one single rubber band of black color and you need only 4 packs of your loom. Start from this side, open part should be on the right side. Start from the center 2 packs, place the rubber band, and from here stretch it and twist it. Make 8 like this. Place your first rubber band. Now choose second color rubber band. Place on these 2 packs straight and on the other side and do these 2 packs as a straight. Now have your hook and grab this black band, pull it over. Now from the other side, grab this black band and pull it over. Push down to all the rubber bands. Now place one black rubber band on this side, straight up to this, on left side this yellow band, and on the other side with the same. Now from here, from outside, grab this black band, pull it over, and here you have 2 yellow bands in each pack. Grab the bottom band and pull it over from all 4 packs. On this pack again, grab the bottom band. This is the bottom band. Grab this and pull it over on the 4th pack again. Push to all them down. And again with the same way, first place one black rubber band and 2 yellow, one on this side, one on this side. Now grab this black band, pull it over, and grab the bottom yellow band, pull it over from this pack and from the other 2 packs. Push them down. Place the next rubber band. With the same way, place more and more rubber bands till this is your bracelet till it becomes longer. Now you can see it's enough long, and I'm going to close this bracelet. Take this rubber band out and place it to the in this first peg. Here, and again take this rubber band and place in the first peg. Now you have two rubber bands in both pegs. Grab the bottom band and pull it over from this peg again. Now you have only single rubber band in both pegs. Take this rubber band out and place in the first peg. Now you have a C-clip. Put the C-clip in this band. In these two bands, place the C-clip. Now remove from the loom. Take the other side of the bracelet. Here you have, this is the double rubber band. Put this double rubber band in the C-clip. Now the railroad bracelet is ready. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Buy now on Amazon. Thank you.